everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to change the language in Adobe Creative Cloud. I am using the newest version of Adobe Creative Cloud, and this is the program Illustrator where I want to change the language from. As some of you may notice, it's currently in Dutch and I want to switch it to English. So to change the language you have to do this. I close Adobe Illustrator and then I open Adobe Creative Cloud application on my MacBook. I find the Adobe Creative Cloud application in the top right corner and the icon looks like this. Next I click on Apps and delete the program I want to change the language of, which is Illustrator in my case. Then you have to click on the three dots next to the application you want to delete. And then you will see Uninstall. A pop-up appears asking if you want to keep the settings you've previously set for the application. For me, I don't need to keep them, so I click on Remove. Then another pop-up appears, and in this case I didn't close the Illustrator application properly, so I have to quit the program first. I do this by right-clicking on the Adobe Illustrator application icon in the toolbar with my mouse and then clicking on Quit. After that, it's properly closed and you will see it's continuing to load. Next you click on your profile picture in the top right corner and click on Apps. Scroll down a bit and you will see Installing and Default Install Language. You need to click on that and then change the language to English or whichever language you prefer. The great thing is that you can change all of this manually for the applications you want to install. For example, you can set Illustrator to English and Photoshop to your own language, like Dutch or Spanish. So when you click on this button, it only changes the install settings of the application you are going to download. I will choose English and then I go to the search bar and look for Illustrator for desktop. I click on the app and then I click on install and an icon appears. It says that the application has been added to my list of applications. You need to know that the installation can take a few minutes. Then you will open the Adobe Illustrator program or whichever application you have downloaded, and now as you can see, the language has changed to English. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and consider subscribing.